I am going to show you today how that raw chicken I have right here has protein contaminants in it. I'm going to smear it on my cutting board right here, and I'm going to show you how the 2.5 can clean this. I have what is called protein contaminant swabs here, and I'm going to take one and I'm going to swab it around, and I don't know if you can see it, but it shows green through purple colors, and the green is good, the purple is bad. It means there's contaminants there. And then we're going to put it back into our container, and we're going to bend it so that we can break open our solution to test it, and then we're going to shake it. And see, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it didn't take it very long at all to turn purple. I was supposed to shake it 10 seconds. I didn't even shake it 10 seconds. So we know that we've got contaminants there. So now I'm going to take some of our strong Kangen acid water, the 2.5, and I am going to spray this on there. And I'm going to let this set for just a minute so that it can make sure and pull all of those contaminants out and kill all of that bad bacteria. The 2.5 is known to kill Salmonella, E. coli, MRSA. It's used in some of the hospitals as a sterilization. So it's a very strong, but you can spray it on your hands, your arms, anywhere. You can even use this as a mouthwash and a gargle, and it won't hurt you like other cleaners you may use to clean surface. So now I'm going to take my other swab, and I'm going to open it. Should probably let that dry for just a moment, just in case. So we'll fan it just a little bit just to make sure that there's nothing left there. And now I'm going to take my swab, and then we're going to see how well the 2.5 cleaned that off. And again, I've got to break the solution and then squeeze it. And there you go. It's already turning green. I'm supposed to shake it 5 to 10 seconds, but I didn't even have to shake it. And we're in the pass, which is the green. Thanks.